At BELCO, our entire team cares about the challenges our neighbors have faced since the commissioning of the North Power Station. We care about the ramifications of our operations on our neighbors, so we take every measure to mitigate our impact and to abide by local legislation on air and water quality standards. We have a team of experts who are working hard to make operational changes that minimize any impact we may have on our neighbors. And over the last few months, we have made great progress. The net effect of our remediation efforts is that the impact on our neighbors has significantly reduced.
We've recently completed Phase 3 of our engine improvement plan, which involved changes to the governor settings of all 4 of our North Power Station engines. This change in programming reduces the amount of fuel injected during startup, which causes a reduction in soot buildup in the exhaust over time. These alterations have reduced the severity and frequency of fallout incidents, and we've now commenced work on installing a dryer skid to remove moisture from the startup combustion process, which should reduce fallout incidents even further. To reduce odors, we previously installed carbon filters on the vents of our fuel and sludge tanks, which resulted in a significant reduction in odor complaints. Now we are working to install a more responsive temperature control system on our sludge tank, in addition to making operational adjustments to minimize activities that create odors. At the same time, our team is evaluating alternative routing and reconfiguration of our pipework. As we must maintain a reliable supply of electricity to Bermuda while continuing our efforts to further improve our operations, it is imperative that we take a measured approach to improving our operations and equipment for our neighbors.
For over 35 years, our experts, with the support of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, have continuously monitored our impact on the environment and the community surrounding our plant. We understand that upon occasion, our operations have impacted some of our neighbors' properties, and this can be visually alarming, which is why we mitigate effects and regularly engage with anyone affected through emails, calls, house visits, and neighborhood walkabouts.
We will continue our efforts to reduce any issues for our neighbors, whilst maintaining reliable supply of energy Bermuda depends on and planning for the sustainable energy future Bermuda requires. To learn more about our engine optimization and our odor remediation plans, or to submit a safety or environmental concern, please visit our website.